Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today I'm
Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today I am going to discuss about the AIB examinations, All India Bar Examinations. So this exam is conducted by the BCI Bar Council of India. Already in the videos previous, already I have um, given the lectures on the parts of the syllabus of the books, and which will be preferred as a reference to cracking the AIB examinations or clearance of the AIB examinations. So today this video will be discussing about the main is the syllabus and what are the subjects and how many questions per subject they are asking, and also the dates and which date is conducting examinations, and little bit about the Bar Council of India, and all things will be discussing to about the examinations and the patterns and the questions marks and those things. So let's watch it, and this is the here we'll see. I hope you will be able to see my screen. This is a AIB All India Bar Examinations, and this is exam is 20. It means this is a 20th examinations. It is happening in 2025. We will be discussing about the exam dates and the syllabus. So what is the All India Bar Examination? Is an examinations conducted by Bar Council of India. The candidate will be awarded certificate of practice after clearing the examinations and is eligible to practice in any court in India. The exam is conducted in 53 cities of India and national and regional languages. So we discuss conducted by the Bar Council of India. Examination date is it is happening in yearly once exam. So this will be 4th week of October. So this is examination date. This is exam date. So form will be coming in the month of August, end of August. Student will start filling the form, and then the admit card and those things, and the examination will be on the October month. And this is a mode of exam. So the exam will be commenced via offline mode. So there will be center where that examinations will be conducted. Durations of the exam, and candidate will have to solve paper in 3 hours. So the exam will be 3 hours. Type of questions. The candidate will be asked multiple choice questions MCQ in the entrance exam. Total questions, a total of 100 questions will be asked. So one question mark to 1. Means one question, if you are right, then you will get a 1 marks. Total is 100 questions. So each question having a 1 marks. So total marks, the question paper will be carry a total 100 marks. So means 100 questions. Means here 100 questions. So we'll discuss what are these syllabus. This is the subject, and this is a number of questions is asking in the subject. Here we have a environment law. From there, environment law, it will have a 2 questions. Intellectual property laws, from 2 questions will be asking. This will be also all will be MCQ questions. Land Acquisition Act, this from the 2 questions. Company law, this will be 2 questions. Cyber law, 2 questions. Administration law, 3 questions. So this will be all will be discussing in the videos about the all what is and what is the syllabus and the description and details about the all subjects. So next 7 is here alternate dispute redressal including arbitration act. This is a ADRA act. This is the 4 questions. 8 public interest litigations. From it will be 4 questions. Professional ethics, case of professional misconduct under BCI rules. This will be 4 questions. So this is the 10 labor and industrial laws, 4 questions. 11 law related taxations, from it will be 4 questions. And this is the 12th law of torts including motor vehicle act and consumer protections law. It will be 5 questions. Environment law, evidence act, from the 8 questions. Family law, from the 8 questions. 15 IPC Indian Penal Code, 8 questions. And law of contract property laws is specific relief negotiable instruct act, from the 8 questions. And this is a constitutional law, this is a 10 questions. CRPC Criminal Procedure Code, 10 questions. And 19 ECPC Code of Civil Procedure Code, 10 questions. So if you are counting this all questions, this is coming, this is a total 100 questions, and this is a 19 subject. So more questions we have seen the 10, right? So constitutional law, CRPC and CPC will have the 10 questions. So it will be more focus on that to prepare for this criminal procedure code, constitutional law and civil codes. And these are the things to be prepared. And the books that like you can get the Bayer Act. Already I have discussed in the videos in the which Bayer Acts I have followed the one laws man. It will be Bayer Act, and it will be different publications you can get and you can prepare for that. And there will be no negative marking, negative marks, not every right answer you are getting 1 marks. So this is guys very important, because these are the subject with respect to the number of questions that should be prepared accordingly to crack or clear the examinations of AIBE examinations. I hope it will be understandable to you, and you will be following this syllabus to get your skills enhancement, and you will be ready to crack the examinations of AIBE examinations. Thank you so much for watching.